Hello guys, and welcome to Animetix News. It's time for a CI, that is anime characters interview, and today we have a big personality in our studio. He has always been in news for his extraordinary works. He has saved numerous countries from the hands of pirates, although he is a pirate himself. Please welcome Captain of Straw Hat Pirates, the man worth 1.5 billion belly, Monkey D Luffy.
Monkey D Luffy, 海賊王になる男だ。
Hello Mr. Luffy, please tell our audience the reason for which you came here today.
今日は俺からお前らに頼みがある。俺に肉を食わせろ！何？
We will give you meat later. Let's first talk about some of your extraordinary works.
わかった。
Because you have saved so many countries, you are being regarded as hero all over the world.
ヒーロー？やだ！俺たちは海賊だぞ！ヒーローは大好きだけど、なるのは嫌だ！
Okay, I understand. No talks about heroes. Can you tell us something about your straw hat?
これは俺の宝だ！この帽子を傷つけるやつは絶対許さねえ！
No talks about hat either. Tell us something about your crew.
そうだな、誰から話すかな。ゾロ、サンジ、ウソップ、ブルック、フランキー、ナミ、ロビン。あ！俺の仲間はすげえだろ。俺は一人では生きていけねえ自信がある。
That's a great crew you have gathered. Will you like to tell the audience something regarding the present pandemic?
お前らも仲間と力を合わせてこの危機を乗り切ろう。お前らならできる。お前たちは俺たちの仲間だ！